Hey Amazon, welcome to the campground on a rainy day, but that's not going to stop us from taking a look at this folding camping rocking chair from Portal. The first thing that you're going to notice about it when you get it is that it is heavier and it is bigger than your normal folding camping chairs. But that's because it is an actual rocking chair. Let me break it out and we'll talk about it. So this is the chair itself when it comes out of the bag, and all you have to do is fold the chair back, pull the arms slightly apart, and then pull the front and back apart. And that's it. It's that easy to set up. One thing to note, you do hear it lock into the legs in place, so just make sure you hear that before you sit in it the first time. So this is a little side bag that comes with the chair, but it's a good representation of how well the chair is made. It's a thick canvas fabric. It's stitched really nicely and the edges are very, very thick. So this thing's going to have no problem holding weight or staying together. Another thing to note about this chair that's a little bit different than some of the other hydraulic rockers is that this is an actual rocking chair. The feet are curved. It's all just a mechanical rocking chair. I actually like this portion of the back of the chair quite a bit. This is actually a breathable material, but it allows air to flow through. So this part is not going to get extremely hot on you because you're always going to have a little bit of airflow. Now, as far as comfort goes in camping chairs, this is hands down the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in. So the design of this chair just really cradles you from your knee to about mid-neck. But unlike some other chairs that kind of leave you wanting support in your shoulder area, this gives you support all the way up through the mid part of your neck. And as far as rocking goes, since it's all mechanical, you really don't have to worry about anything breaking on you. As far as that bag goes that I showed you, it's right here. Really nice addition. 3 pockets, 1 deep one and 2 smaller ones. And all it does is loop around the arm. I know the big question everybody's wondering, would I buy this chair again or would I recommend it for somebody? Well, that's the easiest answer I've ever done in one of these videos. Absolutely, hands down, yes. This is my favorite chair for camping that I have bought, period. We've owned several other camping chairs, and the Portal brand, hands down, is one of the best quality chairs that we've owned up until this point. As always, Amazon, I hope these reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.